Can you use a P.O. box for an LLC? If you're a business owner, you may have heard that you need to have a physical address in order to set up a limited liability company, LLC. But is this true? Can you use a post office box instead? In this video, we'll explore the legalities of using a P.O. box for your LLC, the pros and cons of using a P.O. box, and help you decide what's best for your business. Every state is different, but in general, an LLC can't use a P.O. box or virtual address as its business address or registered agent's address. The address will usually need to be a physical street address in the state where the LLC is being formed. All states do, however, allow an LLC to register a mailing address when setting up the LLC. Typically, the mailing address is where the Secretary of State, or similarly named state agency, will send official correspondence. Do all states require LLC to have an in-state address? While the state will require the LLC to have an official address tied to a real street address in the state, nothing is stopping a business from opening an additional mailing address in another state. Should I use my personal address for my LLC? One of the first things small business owners need to do when starting an LLC is to choose a registered agent. The registered agent is the person or business entity that will receive official legal and tax correspondence on behalf of an LLC. As long as they live in the state where the LLC was formed, the owner or any resident of the state can be the registered agent, though many LLCs choose to use a commercial registered agent service like Northwest Registered Agents. You may be wondering if you can use your home address as your LLC's registered address. The answer is yes. But there are some pros and cons to consider before using your residential address for the business. One of the benefits of using your home address is that it's easy and convenient. You don't have to worry about renting office space or paying for a USPS P.O. box or virtual business address service. However, there are also some drawbacks to using your home address as your LLC's registered address. The primary one is privacy. When you use your home address as your business address, it becomes a matter of public record. This means that anyone can look up your business's address online and find out where you live. Some states, such as Nevada and New Mexico, offer better privacy protections as they are unofficially known as an anonymous LLC. Whether it's keeping your address private for potential client or employee reasons, or you are starting a business on the side and don't want your boss to know, using your home address can be a bad idea. Some other downsides include landlord, condo, or homeowner association rules, increased potential for mail theft, zoning restrictions, building credibility with customers, suppliers, and partners. Forming an LLC is easy. There are two options for forming your LLC. Do it yourself. Hire a professional LLC formation service to set up your LLC for a small fee. Northwest Registered Agent can assist you in streamlining several crucial small business tasks. They offer to walk you through the formation process for free. When you create a free account with Northwest, you'll gain access to online tools for LLC formation, maintenance walkthroughs, and company document creation. All you have to pay is your state's filing fee. If you're confused or find these steps difficult, Northwest will file your paperwork for as little as $39 plus your state filing fee. This option includes compliance filing, phone service, and lifetime support from local corporate guides. If you choose to pay in full for Northwest's LLC formation service, you'll be charged a $39 service filing fee plus an expedited filing fee that varies based on the state of incorporation. Northwest Registered Agent is an amazing company that will guide you through creating your LLC. They even offer a service where they will file your LLC for you, saving you the hassle. The full review and tutorial of Northwest Registered Agent are also provided in the description below. So, can you use a P.O. box for your LLC? The short answer: it depends on your state's requirements. Many states require a physical street address for your registered agent, while others allow certain P.O. box alternatives. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button. It really supports the channel. Drop your questions in the comments. I respond to as many as I can. And don't forget to subscribe for more LLC tips, legal insights, and small business strategies that can save you time, money, and headaches. Your business deserves the right foundation, so start strong, and I'll see you in the next video.